I do this before I put that sidewall metal up that goes on these walls here, because you gotta get that water to run down it, hit the flashing, run onto the roof, and then you gotta keep the water from running underneath it and going up. That's why I got that mastic tape. Devil's in the details, folks. Devil's in the details. Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. I get a lot of questions in the video about the power wire over here on by the neighbor's house. People are like, man, you need to be careful. Heck, I got 3-phase coming in right there. Got a phone wire. And I gotta talk to the mic a little bit because it's so windy up here. But I got a phone wire right there that I have to watch out for. So I got all kinds of fun. I think the worst part about working on any project is getting started. Here's where I gotta start. Gotta go around the corner and on up the wall there. And there's our fun power wire right there, huh? Let's get this measured out. I like to seal these up with a little caulk under here. Well, here we are back at it. This is the one side. It ain't pretty, but we got it done. Finish up the corner here. That's what it looked like. Now we gotta do this side. you're curious what this is, these are gaskets. When you put a roof on, the side panels, they have this gasket. The reason we're putting this on is I don't want snow to blow up this roof and up under this flashing. I have this to help. This flashing, kind of overkill. They just lock together. They're just dovetailed. And they actually have glue on the one side. And just put them on like that. And then what I do is I come in and I put silicone on top of this before I put my trim on. It just helps. It helps with bugs too going up in there. I mean, that'd be the worst thing. You have a bunch of bees nesting up under your roof. So that's what this is if you're kind of curious.